Hi guys, hope you're well. Welcome back to the loft. It's starting to get a little bit warm up here. In fact, I've got a bit of a sweat on. Because at this time of year it starts to get too warm in here and I end up working outside on my little fold-up bench. This weekend I thought I'd just do some preventative maintenance in here. Every now and again it's nice just to clean everything, strip everything back, get rid of the rubbish. So I've actually done a tip run this morning. I have to say I'm really enjoying this little Hoover. It lasts forever on this battery. In fact, it was half charged when I went to France in March and I came back and just picked it up where I left off, 2 bars still on the battery. I've already just emptied it and I've just started again, so it's great. I bought this Festool Vac last August and it's been great vac. I really enjoy using it. It's great with all my Festool power tools. For the first time the dust bag is full. I need to empty it now. I've been looking at replacement bags this morning and a pack of 5 at my favoured tool fix is around £7 a bag, so that's quite expensive. I've also been looking at reusable bags. Now the reusable bags seem to be selling for around about £60–70, which actually surprised me, they're that expensive. However, I have found one on eBay which was £16, which almost seems too good to be true. So I've bought one and it's in the post, and I'll let you know my thoughts when it actually arrives. But for now, I'm going to do what a lot of you guys have been telling me to do since I made the video about it, and reuse the bag by sucking it out. So let's try the little evolution and let's suck this bag out, see how successful or how easy that is. Apparently I can get 3 or 4 uses out of it before the dust in the fibres build up to some extent that it actually either becomes kind of hazardous to use because it's just throwing more dust out than it's taking, or actually it loses the suction. So let's get it on the floor, let's open it. Actually, let's see, I've not actually looked in yet, see how compact or how good Festool are at collecting rubbish and how much of that bag it actually uses. So let's get it on the floor and have a look. See in here that it's already full. Where the pipe goes, it's actually full to the base of the pipe unit. There we go. It's done a really good job. It's actually properly full. So let's have a little go with this and see if we can empty it. Actually is amazing how much is packed into this thing. That's it, 4 or 5 minutes. If that saved me £7, then I'm quids in. Let's see how much stuff is in the little evolution. That's really heavy. Wow, look at that. That was completely empty. I just emptied that before I did that, so that is absolutely amazing. I think, that made a rod for me back here, guys. Filter out. Take the filter out and do it in 2 separate stages. That's amazing that you can fill that so full. Wowzer, right. Oh, don't do that though. Oh well, hopefully that's £7 saved, certainly for the short term anyway. We'll see how that gets on. For £100, this little cat carrying case dust extraction from Evolution is brilliant. I'm really impressed with it. Right guys, short video this week. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you want to see some more of my content, press the subscribe button. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And until next week, bye.